first, I wish you a very happy Raksha Bandhan to all brothers and sisters. It is celebrated on the day of Shravan Purnima.
Raksha Bandhan spread love between brother and sister.
The bonding between a brother and a sister is a simply unique and beyond description in a word.
Rakhi is a reminder of the commitment, responsibilities and commitments come with sibling love.
It's a thread that binds our lives and our hearts.
Festival reminds us of the importance of family and the strong connection we share.
It is festival of Rakhi. On this day, sister prays to God for the safety and good health of her brothers.
It is a time to express our love and strengthen our relationships.
Will show the strength, pure love and purity of the brother and sister relationship.
Like a Rakhi on the wrist of their brother. In return, brother present gift to their sister.